Hello everyone, and as always on Sunday we do a long-range forecast with the ECM model, looking at the pressure, temperature and precip anomalies for our next 6 weeks. Today it gets us to Monday the 8th of July, towards the peak of summer. So this will be an interesting update here. Now last time we had this, we were seeing a very mundane June, just a very westerly June, quite unsettled, quite cool, but nothing too exciting. So let's see if this update does anything different. So looking at week 1, this is Monday, May 27th to Monday, June 3rd. That's tomorrow till next Monday. So we see these blue colours over us and to our east. That shows low pressure coming down from Greenland into northern and western Europe there. Also, we have high pressure out to our west. So I think we're seeing a westerly Atlantic influence here with some rain and showers at times. So the temperature anomaly is therefore below average, and the precip anomaly is actually average, a bit drier in the far south, but a bit wetter in the north. Obviously, I think in the north that there's a higher chance of rain closer to the low, and also bear in mind towards the end of the week, based on the short range charts, like the GFS, we are seeing the Azores high trying to build in, and I think from Thursday onwards it's actually mainly dry, and then from Monday to Wednesday it's quite wet, so there is a bit of balance there, if you see what I mean. So week 2 is June 3rd to June 10th. This week looks a bit mysterious there, so we have a trough to our north towards Scandinavia, also a big ridge towards the Mediterranean and the Balkans there, also a block towards Greenland and Canada. We could be seeing a drier spell there, possibly quite a cool one with winds coming in from the north. It's quite hard to make out what's happening there, but I think that's drier than week 1. So the temperature anomaly is still average or a bit below average in those light blue shades in the north, and the precip anomaly is a bit drier than average. So yes, we do see a drier spell there because of this ridge through the country. Albeit weak, it will be effective. So week 3 is June 10th to 17th. This week is very mysterious, so we'll move on from that. But it does show a bit of blocking to our north, so it could be quite unsettled. The temperature anomaly is above average, ever so slightly so, and the precip chart is ever so slightly above average. So I think that is a bit more unsettled there. Week 4 is June 17th to June 24th. This week is possibly good. We see a high from Greenland down to Iceland, Scandinavia and Eastern Europe. We could possibly be drawing up quite a warm or hot wind from the southeast, but also bear in mind that there was probably a trough down to our southwest there in these white shades, so possibly warm and thundery. So the temperature anomaly is above average and the precip anomaly is above average, so possibly a bit warmer and wetter there. So week 5 is June 24th to July 1st. So this week is very similar to the week before it, with this ridge to our north and east, possibly quite warm, but also a trough could be in play. The temperature anomaly there is actually average or slightly above, and the precip chart is above average, so I think that's quite wet there. This white area is a trough, but it could be a bit warm. And finally, week 6 is July 1st to 8th. It's the first week of July there, so let's see what it shows. It's also high to our south, Iberia towards the Azores, also a ridge towards southeast Europe there. I think that's quite westerly. The temperature anomaly there is about average, and the precip chart is above average to our north and below to our south. So I think that is a westerly start to July. So I think that's a bit better from the last update. It's not totally westerly this month. So looking quite cool and unsettled to start June, with possibly a dry spell week 2. But staying quite unsettled throughout June, possibly a bit warmer than last update shows, and into July it seems Wester's come back. So thanks for watching, I'll see you later, bye for now.